The other day I did some cuttings on a video that you can see there on my timeline. It's like 3 or 4 videos ago, where I took some cuttings from my mulberry tree, my ever-bearing mulberry tree, and I planted them. Just cut them and put them in the dirt. That's all I did. I haven't really done much else. A little water, and guess what? Here's an update on it. As you can see, that most of them are actually showing. See the one back there? They're starting to get leaves coming out, and believe it or not, look at the flowers right there. We're gonna actually get fruit on these little cuttings that I made here from a few weeks ago, and we have another little tree, and it's just amazing. Look at that. It's got like 7 flowers right there for fruits, mulberry fruits. I think that's awesome. I mean, imagine you can just cut pieces off the mulberry tree, get your cuttings, and then a few weeks later you can have a bunch of new trees and already giving you fruit, which is unbelievable. So it's an easy way to propagate them, and it doesn't cost you anything. You know, you can grow more fruit trees and get tons of fruit, because the mulberries, they give you tons of food. I mean, the ever-bearing one is always giving you food, and you trim it and then it gives you even more. So, well, anyway, just wanted to give you an update on how things are looking here with the cuttings, and so you can see that, you know, you don't have to do anything special. You could do it yourself, and look at how successful it is. Okay guys, thanks for watching. God bless.